In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix AI to create a website. No coding needed. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening My Sites. From there, click Create New Site. This begins Wix's guided setup, and in a moment you'll see the Wix AI assistant. Click Start Chat to let the assistant gather the basics it needs to build your site. If you're unsure how to phrase your answers, click Help Me Answer. This provides helpful prompts so you can respond quickly. In the chat field, type Highlight to surface the section where you can add key highlights about your business. When a timestamp suggestion appears, click 0 to jump right to it. Then choose the Highlight option when it shows up. You may see Highlight appear again. Go ahead and click it wherever prompted to confirm your input. Once you've provided the essentials, click End Chat and continue to move forward. If you see a final confirmation prompt, click End Chat and continue again to proceed. Back on the setup screen, click Design Site. You'll now choose how your site is created. Select Generate a Design with AI, then click Generate a Design. Wix will use your inputs, like your business type, style preferences, and highlights, to assemble a cohesive layout, color palette, images, and starter copy. This step saves a ton of time because the AI pre-builds a structure you can immediately refine. When the preview loads, click Continue with this design to accept the generated look. Next, click Continue to the editor to open the drag-and-drop editor. Here you can fine-tune anything. Replace text to reflect your voice, swap images for your own, adjust section spacing, and edit your menu and footer. A few quick tips as you work. Use the Pages panel on the left to add or rename pages. Click the mobile icon to check and tweak the mobile layout, and save frequently so no changes are lost. If the AI placed elements you don't need, select them and delete. If you want more sections, use Add to drop in galleries, contact forms, or testimonials. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Publish. Your site goes live instantly on a free Wix domain, and you can connect a custom domain anytime. Publishing isn't final. You can keep editing and simply publish again to update the live version. And that's the full process. With Wix AI, you move from a blank canvas to a polished website fast without touching code.